Hey there, business owners! If you're in West Houston and using SonicWall SMA 100 series devices, listen up, this is urgent. Researchers have just uncovered some serious vulnerabilities that could give attackers root-level access to your network. Impress IT Solutions, your local cybersecurity heroes, are on it. They're helping businesses like yours patch these devices and stay protected. Here's why you need to act fast. SonicWall's secure mobile access 100 series appliances are facing three critical vulnerabilities. First up, CVE 2025-32819, rated 8.8. This one lets attackers bypass security checks and delete files, even causing a full device reset. Next, CVE 2025-32820, rated 8.3. This vulnerability allows writing to restricted directories, giving attackers deeper control. Finally, CVE 2025-32821, rated 6.7. It enables command injection to upload malicious files. Chain these together and it's game over. Attackers can make system directories writable, elevate privileges to full admin, and execute files as root-level code. The affected devices include the SMA 200, 210, 400, 410, and 500 volts. SonicWall has fixed these issues in firmware version 10.2, 1.15-81SV, so update immediately. Why does this matter? Because your remote access tools are critical for hybrid and remote work, but they're also a prime target for cyber criminals. If left unpatched, these vulnerabilities can lead to stolen data, ransomware, or even a full system shutdown. Impress IT Solutions is here to protect you. They offer security patch management, vulnerability assessments, network monitoring, clear communication, and incident response. Don't let an unpatched device be an open door for attackers. Contact Impress IT Solutions today to schedule a vulnerability scan or firmware update. Stay safe, stay secure, and keep your business running smoothly. Impress IT Solutions, your local cybersecurity partner in West Houston. Thanks for watching, and take action now.